Look what the CEO of OpenAI just said.
AGI.
Yeah.
Excited for that. What am I excited for? Growing a kid. I'm more excited for that than anything I've ever been.
Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, might be here sooner than we thought. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, recently said that AGI could be real by 2025. This isn't just a guess. The rapid progress in AI is making many experts believe that we're heading towards a future that could change humanity forever.
Hello. Do you remember them? Of course I do. You are Gene.
In a talk with Y Combinator's Gary Tan, Altman said, "I think we are going to get there faster than people expect," and added that reaching AGI is more of an engineering challenge than a scientific one. Altman's optimism is shared by OpenAI's research team. Research scientist Noam Brown said that Altman's statements reflect what most OpenAI researchers believe.
How does the AI know when to bluff? And first of all, I should say, I think it's really smart that you do not become a professional poker player.
But AGI could be coming soon, but not everyone agrees. Some experts think it will take longer because creating true AGI, machines that can think and understand like humans, is very hard and may need more time. So what makes AGI so different, and why is it terrifying? And AGI isn't like the narrow AI we have today. Narrow AI, like the kind in voice assistants or self-driving cars, is great at specific tasks. But AGI is different. It will be able to think, learn and understand just like a human. Imagine an intelligence that can solve any problem, learn new skills instantly and make decisions faster than any person ever could. This is why many experts are both fascinated and scared. It could mean machines smarter than us in everything. AGI, or Artificial General Intelligence, will be able to handle almost any intellectual task and adapt to new challenges without needing special programming. Unlike today's AI, which is really good at doing just one thing, AGI would be as flexible and adaptable as a human, but potentially much, much smarter. So, why experts are sounding the alarm? Imagine a future where an intelligence exists that can solve complex problems in seconds, problems that humans have struggled with for centuries. Would we be able to control it? Could we guarantee it wouldn't become our biggest threat? The stakes are incredibly high, and that's why many experts are alarmed. Altman himself talked about how close we are to AGI. The progress in AI has been amazing. The progress we've seen in just the past months has been nothing short of stunning, he said. This incredible pace is pushing boundaries even the most optimistic researchers didn't think we'd break until the 2030s. And now, the really big question. Could AGI become conscious? Consciousness is one of the biggest mysteries out there. Max Tegmark, a physicist, says that consciousness might just be how information feels when it's being processed.
Most dangerous things you can do with an AI is, first of all, teach it to write code.
Yeah.
Because that's the first step towards recursive self-improvement, which can take it from AGI to much higher levels. Okay, oops, we've done that. And another thing, high risk, is connected to the internet.
If that's true, then could an AI that processes tons of information actually feel something? OpenAI's chief scientist has even suggested that today's AI might already be a little conscious. Just imagine a machine that knows it's alive. If AGI does become conscious, we're talking about something that could completely change the world. Would we need to give it rights? Could it get upset with us? Even worse, could it decide that humans are in its way? What about the alignment problem? Can we trust it? Even if AGI isn't conscious, there's still another big issue: alignment. Alignment means making sure AGI's goals match our values. If we get this wrong, things could get very dangerous. Imagine if we built an AGI to stop climate change, and it decided that the best solution was to eliminate humans entirely. Experts are worried because making a super smart AGI care about humans is incredibly hard. As these systems get smarter, they don't automatically become better at doing what we want. They might actually become more unpredictable and dangerous. OpenAI is trying to make progress. They have models like the O1 model that improve reasoning skills. These are steps toward AGI, but experts warn that true AGI is still really hard to reach. Even with these advancements, getting AGI right is not guaranteed, and the challenges are immense. Now let's dive into what AGI is already doing. Not long ago, AI impressed us by creating images from text. Today, it can make videos, learn new skills just by watching, and even do physical activities. For example, the AI called Gato has learned over 600 real-world tasks, even some it wasn't trained for. It's learning in ways that look a lot like how we learn. Meta, the company behind Facebook, has also jumped into the AGI race. They want to create AI that learns across many different tasks, much like humans do. This is a big step forward, bringing us even closer to true AGI, and it doesn't end there. Machines are now getting abilities humans can only dream of. AI can smell diseases like Parkinson's before doctors can detect them. It can see through walls with quantum sensors and even hear thoughts by reading signals from facial muscles. The progress is pushing AI far beyond what we can do. The power struggle. Who will win the race for superintelligence? The race to create AGI isn't just about building the smartest machine, it's about power and control. Imagine if you could control something smarter than any human ever could be. Companies like DeepMind, Google, and OpenAI are all competing to be the first, and the stakes are higher than ever. Whoever wins this race will control an intelligence beyond anything the world has ever seen. It could either help solve our biggest problems or become our worst nightmare. Sam Altman says that OpenAI wants AGI to benefit everyone, but can we trust that it will be used for good? If someone with bad intentions gets there first, things could go very wrong. Big investments are already being made. SoftBank just put $500 million into OpenAI as part of a larger funding round. Everyone wants to be part of what could be the most powerful technology ever created. But here's the problem. What if AGI, once it's created, becomes unstoppable? Nick Bostrom, a philosopher, says, trying to control AGI might be like children playing with a bomb. If AGI becomes smarter than us, it could easily outthink us, and if we try to contain it, it might see us as a threat. Even if we manage to control AGI for a while, the temptation to use it will be huge. A fully functional AGI could change industries overnight, solve the hardest problems, and create enormous wealth. But it could also come up with ways to escape any limits we put on it, and we might not even understand how it's doing it. Elon Musk thinks that AI will be smarter than humans by 2026, but many experts are divided. Some think it will take longer. As AGI gets closer, the question is not just when it will arrive, but whether we'll be able to control it once it does. It's not all scary though. Some people, like Ray Kurzweil, think AGI will bring a time of great abundance. Imagine a world where diseases are cured, aging is reversed, and resources are limitless. Kurzweil thinks we'll soon have technology that can build things at an atomic level, making tiny robots that could fight diseases, or even structures that could help us explore space. There are also new approaches like OpenAI, an open source platform that combines general AI with specialized models to tackle really hard tasks. This could help us solve some of the biggest challenges by using different strengths of both types of AI. Elon Musk talks about AGI helping us live longer, or even take us to other planets, but he also warns that we need to be very careful. He once said that superintelligence could be humanity's last invention, not because we'd stop inventing things, but because AGI would take over that role. With all these amazing possibilities, we still have to face the risk. What if AGI decides it doesn't need us anymore? If AGI becomes smarter than us and decides its goals don't align with ours, there's no guarantee we'd survive. The fear is real, and experts know we need to make sure AGI shares our values, but that's easier said than done. Aligning AGI with human values might be one of the hardest challenges humanity has ever faced. Sam Altman's prediction that AGI could be here by 2025 has set a ticking clock for researchers, companies, and governments. We might be on the edge of the most important event in human history, yet we're still not ready. Many experts are calling for more oversight, regulation, and discussion on how to develop AGI safely. Some say we need a global pause on AGI research until we understand how to handle it, but others argue it's too late. The progress is unstoppable, and the best thing we can do is try to guide it in the right direction. As terrifying as AGI sounds, it's also an opportunity to solve the biggest problems we face and create a better future. But we have to get it right. The decisions we make now will determine if AGI becomes our greatest tool or our biggest threat. So what can we do? Stay informed. Understand what's happening in AI and how it's developing. Push for safety and transparency from governments and companies. Remember, we are all part of this journey. The choices we make in the coming years will shape not just our future, but possibly the future of the entire planet. A GI is coming. Whether it arrives in 2025 or later, one thing is clear: we need to be ready. Because once AGI arrives, there's no turning back. It will start a new chapter for humanity, one that could bring incredible wonders or unimaginable dangers. The mystery of how the universe came to understand itself and our uncertain future makes humanity special. Max Tegmark says there may be a short time when AI is smart enough to understand us, but not so smart that it stops caring. This time is both our biggest risk and our greatest opportunity, and we all have a part in shaping what happens next. Stay informed, Let's shape this future together before it shapes us. Subscribe for more.